Essential conjunctive adverbs you must know in Chinese. In this video, we're going to learn 只要就 which means as long as, then. As long as something happens, then something else happens. For example, when we are talking about hobby and weather, we can use this sentence pattern. As long as tomorrow not rain, we then go to play football. Well, obviously, this is not what we say in good English. But as I mentioned in other videos, this is how we are going to memorize the Chinese words when we are translating them word by word into English. So, 只要明天不下雨，我们就去踢足球。只要 as long as 明天 tomorrow 不 no not 下雨 rain 我们就去踢足球。We 我们就 then 去 go 踢足球 play football. So read after me again, please. 只要明天不下雨，我们就去踢足球。Well done. Can we please try to use this sentence pattern when we are talking about healthy lifestyle? Here is an example. As long as we less eat meat, more do sports, then we'll keep body healthy. Well, obviously, the proper English should be, as long as we eat less meat, do more sports, we will keep body healthy. 只要我们少吃肉，只要 as long as 我们 we 少 less 吃 eat 肉 meat 少吃肉 less eat meat instead of eat less meat 多运动多 means more 运动 do sports 多运动 more do sports instead of do more sports 就会就 then 会 will 保持 maintain keep 身体 body 健康 healthy. Well, next example. As long as no trade, then no kill. 只要没有买卖，就没有杀害。As long as 只要没有 no 买卖买 is buy 卖 is sell 买卖 buy and sell which means trade 就 then 没有 no 杀害 kill. In proper English, it means no buy, no kill. This is a very powerful and useful sentence when we are talking about sea animal protection, such as the shark fin. Last but not the least, as long as Miss Bella not happy, Mr.Li then very happy. 只要 Miss Bella 不开心 ，Mr.Li 就很开心。只要 as long as 不 no 开心 happy Mr.Li 就 then 很开心 very happy. Well, so much for 只要就，谢谢你。